Here's a quick one for you. Laying a tongue and groove floor, nothing nicer than a new floor. But you need to make sure all the boards are all clamped up tight against each other. And you can hire floorboard cramps, which is a thing that holds on to the joist and then pushes a board up, but you've got to pay for those. But you've got everything you need. What I use and have used for years and years and years are sliding wedges. So you get yourself an offcut, that's about, I don't know, 15 centimetres, can be longer, and then you cut it at an angle, a shallow angle like that, to make two pieces, one with the tongue, one with the groove, and then you've got everything you need. And it's called a sliding wedge because you screw this side down and then bang that side up, it pushes the board up into the previous one, and then you can screw it or nail it as you wish. Right, let's do that. Right, so we get a board and just engage the tongue and groove. Sometimes it needs a bit of a tap, apologies for the noise. Bit of a love tap. If you've got an offcut with a tongue on it, then that'll stop you damaging the wood. Just get it just nice, just tightened up as much as it can, and then with one of these, get the tongue engaged with the groove like that, put your fixed part over a joist, make sure there aren't any pipes or cables running underneath, that would be bad, screw that in. Okay, you only need one screw because that might need to pivot, and then bang that up, carry on across the board. Oh, right, excuse me, I'll just show that. There we go. So I might just need to just tap that back up. Like so. Don't matter if there's a couple of millimetres of gap, or a millimetre of gap or some such, because that'll disappear. Okay, so we've got a gap there. Get our sliding wedge, fixed wedge, sliding wedge. Watch the gap. Like so. That closes it up. Might not close it up 100%, and you might need to just go back over it. Okay, now I'm using 4 on this. You use as many as you need because you're always more than likely going to have an offcut somewhere. Again, watch the gap. Hasn't gone up too much. Some do more than others, some just refuse to. There we go, last one. Okay. Oh, that closed up nicely. I'll just perhaps go over them again. And there we are. So that is as tight as you can get it. I mean, I could go stupid at it and get it a whole load tighter. Why is this necessary? Well, as you get floorboards from the merchant, they will contain a certain amount of moisture. All right, this is a moisture meter. It's only a cheap one. It doesn't give exactly accurate results, close enough. It'll give you an idea though. So this is straight off the merchant. So we've got 14% moisture in there. And the way it works, 2 pins, just shoves a little electrical current between them and measures something. Right, as this wood dries out, the moisture will go down. And wood shrinks as it dries out. And you will find that it doesn't matter how much you clamp these up, they will shrink and gaps will open up, giving you the traditional tongue and groove floorboard, little gaps in between. But if we start with tight boards up, then it's going to be a whole lot better than if we didn't. So sliding wedges, cut from offcuts, save you money, save you time. I hope that helps.